Hey there, my name is Ian, and this is Finely Chopped Pixels. I noticed in a recent project that was heavily dependent on annotations that every once in a while they would just disappear. And that was really frustrating because then I kind of had to remember what I had written down, and the whole purpose of annotations is to kind of empty that information out of your brain into the scene. And so here's a quick fix I found. Basically, annotations are dependent on what frame that you write them down on. So I think I was accidentally switching back to frame 0 rather than frame 1. And you can see if we switch back to the frame that we wrote them down on, they reappear. Now if you still don't see them after trying this fix, it's possible to open the side panel with N and go down to the View tab. Underneath Annotations, you may have accidentally disabled the view of them. You can see I've done that with some ruler data here. But if you check this I, things will also disappear. So definitely check this if you still don't see them. But hopefully that solved your problems of disappearing annotations. I know that can be really frustrating, and I hope this helps you out. Normally on this channel, I teach about visual effects, so if you're interested in learning a bit more about visual effects in Blender, there's a link in the description that'll take you to a video where I'll teach you 5 quick tips for integrating your CG creations into actual footage. So if that sounds interesting, definitely go ahead and check that out. But hey, I hope you have an excellent day, and cheers!